From the vibrant tapestry of a rainforest floor to the meticulously planned rows of a vegetable patch, life finds a way to flourish. And just like in the wild, where every organism plays a crucial role in the delicate balance of the ecosystem, so too do our gardens rely on a delicate interplay of nutrients and resources. Today, we're venturing into the fascinating world of natural fertilizers, uncovering the hidden potential of everyday items to transform your garden into a thriving oasis. Join me as we explore these unconventional yet remarkably effective methods for cultivating a bountiful harvest. Ah, the humble banana, a fruit loved by many for its sweet taste and convenience. A staple in many a lunchbox, providing a quick and nutritious snack for kids and adults alike. But did you know that its skin holds the key to unlocking incredible growth in your garden? Yes, that's right. The often discarded banana peel is a hidden gem for gardeners. Beneath that bright yellow exterior lies a treasure trove of potassium, a vital nutrient that encourages strong root development and abundant flowering. Potassium is essential for plant health, aiding in water regulation, enzyme activation, and photosynthesis. Simply chop those peels into smaller pieces and bury them a few inches deep around the base of your plants. This simple act can make a world of difference in your garden's productivity. As the peels decompose, they release their potassium bounty directly to the roots, acting like a slow-release fertilizer. This method ensures that your plants receive a steady supply of nutrients over time, promoting sustained growth and health. But what if you want to give your plants a more immediate boost? Sometimes our plants need a quick pick-me-up, especially during the growing season. This is where banana peel tea comes in, a simple yet effective way to provide your plants with an instant nutrient boost. Steep those peels in water for a day or two, much like you would a fragrant herbal infusion. The longer you steep, the more nutrients are extracted into the water. The water transforms into a nutrient-rich elixir, brimming with readily available potassium that your plants will eagerly soak up. This liquid fertilizer can be used to water your plants, giving them an immediate boost of energy and vitality. So next time you enjoy a banana, don't toss that peel away. Remember, it's not just waste. It's a powerful tool for your garden. Embrace the banana peel power and watch your garden thrive like never before. You can also add banana peels to your compost pile. They break down quickly and add valuable nutrients to your compost, enriching the soil when you use it in your garden. With these simple tips, you can turn everyday kitchen waste into a garden treasure. In the natural world, nothing goes to waste. Take eggshells, for instance. Often relegated to the bin, these seemingly insignificant fragments are a veritable goldmine of calcium. Just as calcium strengthens our bones, it plays a crucial role in the structural integrity of plants, particularly in the development of strong cell walls. But the benefits of eggshells don't stop there. They also help to prevent blossom end rot, a common affliction in tomatoes and other fruiting plants caused by a calcium deficiency. Simply rinse, dry, and crush those eggshells into smaller pieces. Sprinkle them around the base of your plants, creating a protective barrier against this frustrating ailment. For a more gradual release of calcium, incorporate the crushed eggshells directly into the soil. Your plants will thank you for it. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee is enough to invigorate even the sleepiest of senses, waking you up and preparing you for the day ahead. But did you know that your morning cup can also breathe life into your garden? Yes, those used coffee grounds that you might usually throw away can be a secret weapon for your plants. Coffee grounds, a byproduct of the coffee-making process, are an excellent source of nitrogen, a key nutrient for healthy plant growth. Nitrogen is essential for the development of lush green foliage and overall plant vitality. When you sprinkle a thin layer of coffee grounds around the base of your plants, you are essentially giving them a nutrient boost. This can be particularly beneficial for plants that are heavy feeders, such as tomatoes, roses, and azaleas. However, it's important to use coffee grounds in moderation. Too much can create a dense barrier that water and air cannot penetrate, potentially harming your plants. A light dusting every couple of weeks is all it takes to provide a gentle and sustained release of nitrogen. In addition to providing nitrogen, coffee grounds can also improve soil structure. They help to create a crumbly texture that is ideal for root growth and water retention. This can be especially useful in heavy clay soils, which can become compacted and difficult for roots to penetrate. Another benefit of using coffee grounds in your garden is that they can help to deter pests. The strong smell of coffee can repel insects such as ants and slugs, keeping your plants safe from damage. Coffee grounds also work wonders in your compost bin. Adding them to your compost pile can help to balance the carbon-to-nitrogen ratio, which is essential for efficient decomposition. As they break down, they add valuable nutrients to the mix, creating a rich, fertile environment that will nourish your plants from the ground up. To use coffee grounds in your compost, simply mix them in with other compostable materials such as vegetable scraps, leaves, and grass clippings. This will help to create a well-balanced compost that is rich in nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. As the coffee grounds decompose, they release nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, which are essential nutrients for plant growth. This makes your compost more effective at promoting healthy, vigorous plants. So, the next time you brew a pot of coffee, don't throw those grounds away. Instead, use them to give your garden a morning pick-me-up. Your plants will thank you for it, and you'll be doing your part to reduce waste and promote a healthier environment. In the intricate web of nature, one organism's waste can be another's treasure. This principle is beautifully illustrated in the relationship between fish and plants. Such is the case with fish tank water, a surprisingly potent and readily available fertilizer. This liquid gold is often overlooked, but it holds immense value for your garden. As fish go about their daily business, they release ammonia into the water as a byproduct of their metabolism. This ammonia, while toxic to fish in high concentrations, is a key ingredient in the nutrient cycle. Beneficial bacteria in the tank then break down this ammonia into nitrates, a form of nitrogen that plants readily absorb. This natural process transforms waste into nourishment. So the next time you're refreshing your finned friend's abode, don't reach for the drain just yet. Instead, think of the potential benefits for your garden and capture that nutrient-rich water and give your garden a treat. This simple act can make a significant difference in the health and vitality of your plants. It's like a free, all-natural fertilizer, chock full of the essential nutrients your plants crave. The nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in the water are vital for plant growth. Just be sure to use it sparingly, as too much of a good thing can sometimes be detrimental. Over-fertilizing can lead to nutrient burn, where plants receive more nutrients than they can handle. To avoid this, dilute the fish tank water with fresh water before applying it to your plants. This ensures that your garden gets the right amount of nutrients without overwhelming the plants. Another tip is to use the fish tank water during the growing season when plants are actively taking up nutrients. This is when they can benefit the most from the extra boost. By incorporating fish tank water into your gardening routine, you're not only recycling waste, but also promoting a healthier, more sustainable ecosystem. Your plants will thank you with lush growth and vibrant blooms. So the next time you clean your fish tank, remember that you're holding liquid gold in your hands. Use it wisely and watch your garden flourish like never before. Embrace this natural, eco-friendly method of fertilizing and enjoy the bountiful rewards it brings to your garden. Deep beneath the Earth's surface, a silent army of earthworms toils tirelessly, transforming organic matter into one of nature's most prized fertilizers, worm castings. These small, dark, and unassuming pellets are a veritable powerhouse of nutrients, teeming with beneficial bacteria and fungi that enhance soil structure and fertility. Adding a handful of worm castings to your garden beds is like giving your plants a gourmet meal. They provide a slow and steady release of nutrients, ensuring that your plants have access to the nourishment they need, precisely when they need it. Worm castings also improve drainage and aeration, creating an optimal environment for root development. Embrace the power of these humble creatures and watch your garden flourish. And there you have it, a glimpse into the remarkable world of natural fertilizers. From the peels of our favorite fruits to the byproducts of our morning routines, the potential to nourish our gardens lies all around us. By embracing these unconventional yet highly effective methods, we can cultivate thriving gardens while minimizing our impact on the environment. So go forth and experiment. Try incorporating these simple hacks into your gardening routine and witness the transformative power of nature firsthand. Remember, the most rewarding gardens are often those nurtured with a touch of creativity and a deep respect for the natural world. Happy gardening!